Hello friends, today we are going to learn the back exercise and question answers of chapter number 1 Beginnings of novel David Copperfield written by Charles Dickens. Comprehension. Read chapter 1 and write T for true and F for false. First, David's father died before David was born. True. Aunt Betsy became David's godmother. False. Aunt Betsy was pleased when David was born. False. David did not like Mr. Murdstone. True. Peggotty had a brother in Blunderstone. False. What do you think? Part A. Discuss the following questions. Question number 1. Why do you think David's mother needed Peggotty so much? Answer. Because she helps her in upbringing and caring of David and also helps in all kinds of housework. Question number 2. What do you look for in a friend? A friend should be someone who truly loves you, appreciates you, truthful to you, honest and truthworthy. He should not be selfish. Question number 3. Do you know anyone that you did not like when you first met them but changed your mind once you know them better? What made you change your mind about this person? Answer. Yes, I have a friend whom at first I disliked him because he was straightforward. He always told the truth about me even if I don't like it, so I disliked him. But with time I realized that he loves me a lot and wanted me to be better. So he helped me in improving my mistakes. And now he is my best friend. Part B. Find the following extracts from chapter 1 and discuss their meanings. First, Aunt Betsy marched into our house and gave everybody her opinions from the beginning. Answer. David says that Aunt Betsy pretends to be intelligent and gives her opinions in all the work, all if like it or not. Second, I, David's mother, will not have you talk about my late husband in this manner. Answer. Before these lines, Aunt Betsy was saying something bad and unkind about David's father. In these lines, David's mother is telling Aunt Betsy not to say anything about David's deceased father. She told that he was a good and honest man with a heart of gold and she would not like to hear a single unkind word about him. Third, Peggotty was much more than a servant. Answer. David was saying that Peggotty was much more than a servant because Aunt Betsy went away after the birth of David because she hated males. So Peggotty was only person who helped David and his mother in all kind of work. She was a good friend to David and his mother. Language practice. First, look at the words and pictures to make phrases from chapter 1. Then choose one phrase and draw a picture of it. The class must guess which one you have drawn. Late married, fall asleep, rock a boy, heart of gold, expect a girl, fold your arms. Second, fill in the gaps with the correct form of words in capitals. The queen has a servant to take care of her clothes. Second, there was another death on the roads because people driving too fast. Third, I got a plate and fortunately missed my bus to school. Fourth, how can I prove that I didn't steal the pen? What happens next? Look at the 3 ideas given below and guess which one happens next. Choose one and write notes to continue the story in your notebook. Friends, we have to choose any one out of these 3. Let's choose the first one. Mr. Murdstone does something to hurt David. Friends, if we will read the story forward, so we came to know that after the death of David's mother, who is Clara Murdstone, Mr. Murdstone, who had married her, sent David to his factory to work. He leaves his school. वो उसे स्कूल में नहीं भेजता, वो उसे स्कूल से निकाल देता है और अपने एक कारखाने में काम करने पे डाल देता है, यानी चाइल्ड लेबर करवाता है। थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको इस चैप्टर अच्छा लगा तो लाइक कीजिए और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए ताकि आपको बाकी चैप्टर्स के एक्सप्लेनेशन और बैक एक्सरसाइज जल्द से जल्द मिल सके। तब तक आप हमारे साथ जुड़े रहिएगा।